Welcome to this video. My name is Mark Scythian. In this video, we are going to cover a concept in trigonometry known as the law of sines. So assume you are dealing with a scalene triangle for which no two angles are equal, and two of the angles as well as two of the sides are specified. The third angle and third side are not specified. So it's always good to take what you do know to solve for what is unknown initially before proceeding with the concept, in this case, the law of sines. So here we have the axiom or fact that all triangles, regardless if they are scalene, equilateral, isosceles, or right triangles, whatever type of triangle, all triangles consist of 180 degrees. So if we have two of three angles, initially we can quickly solve for the third angle. In this case, it's actually angle A, so 45 degrees. Angle A, capital A, projects side little a. Angle capital B projects side little b. And angle capital C projects side little c. So that's the methodology of triangle components with respect to the angles and the sides. So the law of sines is simply the ratio of the sine of angle A divided into side A or little a made equal to the sine of capital B or angle B divided into side little b, then also made equal to the sine of angle C divided into side little c. So we have to work with the missing information component rather than the information we already know from the diagram specified. So in this case, it's a decision to select two of three of the ratios for computation. In this case, we know the value of angle B and side B, so we will omit the middle ratio and make the ratio of sine angle A, 45 degrees, divided into side little a, 10 inches. We'll make this ratio equal to the sine of angle C, 105 degrees, divided into the unknown, side little c. By cross-multiplying the sine of 45 times c, then made equal to the sine of 105 times 10 inches, we can algebraically solve for side little c. But first, make sure your calculator is set to degrees mode rather than radians mode, and then solve for the sine of 45 degrees, which is 0.707, followed by solving for the sine of 105 degrees, which is 0.966. Now we can cross multiply to solve for c. So the sine of 45 degrees, 0.707 times c, made equal to the sine of 105 degrees times 10 inches. After simplifying the right side, we get 0.707 times c is equal to 9.66. So by simply dividing 9.66 into 0.707, we solve for side little c, or 13.66 inches. We know that c times the denominator, 0.707, equals the numerator, 9.66. So this is how you rearrange the expression algebraically to solve for c. C times 0.707 at the denominator, then made equal to 9.66, the numerator, and so this becomes a simple fraction or ratio, 13.66. And so a common application of the law of sines.